I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious burger using a bun. First, choose quality ground beef, ideally an 80 to 20 lean-to-fat ratio for the best flavor and juiciness. Next, gently form your patties, making them about 3/4 of an inch thick and a bit wider than your bun to account for shrinkage. Don't forget to lightly toast your buns. This small step makes a big difference in taste and texture. Now, let's cook those patties to perfection. Season them generously with salt and pepper right before they hit the heat. Place your seasoned patties on a hot grill or skillet, cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a medium doneness. If you're adding cheese, place a slice on top during the last minute of cooking, allowing it to melt beautifully over the hot patty. With your patty cooked and bun toasted, it's time for assembly. Start by spreading your favorite burger sauce on both the top and bottom halves of the bun. Carefully place the hot patty with its melted cheese onto the bottom bun. Then, add your fresh toppings, such as crisp lettuce, a juicy tomato slice, and thinly sliced onion, building a tower of flavor and texture. Finally, place the top bun on your masterpiece, and your delicious burger is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite sides, perhaps some golden, crispy fries or a refreshing side salad. Remember, a great burger is all about fresh ingredients and careful preparation. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.